The latest release of ShipConstructor provides users with new tools for functional to detailed design workflows, streamlined modeling processes, and updates to change management options. Ongoing efforts to streamline user management now enables user groups to be added beyond their roles, providing additional efficiency in managing user accesses to the project. The ability to add groups means users assigned to different roles within a project can be combined based on the secondary group attribute, allowing for easier viewing and assigning permissions. With user groups, users can be more easily given access for specific tasks based on the necessary attributes, and once the task has been completed, the group can then simply be removed, making project permission management easier than ever. Clash checking is one of the most used and most important tools within ShipConstructor and allows both modelers and project managers to check for conflicts early on and adjust accordingly. With the 2026 R3 release, clash checking now includes the option to define a clearance tolerance value to be included with all clash checks, providing the ability to ensure non-interference spaces such as pipe clearance requirements or shock mount clearances are properly accounted for throughout the model. Once the tolerance value has been defined in Manager, and once the type of items are selected within the clash palette, project components falling within these parameters are displayed in the clash check results. Clash rules can now be defined for projects with the Project Action feature enabled, allowing for the automatic update of clash statuses to be designated as ruled out based on user-specific criteria such as revision types, stocks, UDAs, or other attributes. Clash rules are useful when many similar clashes occur in a model that do not need to be addressed individually. When working with complex-shaped compartments within the model, generating a set of volumes to approximate their shapes is a time-consuming manual process. With this release, this task is automated to a single-click operation from within the Compartment Manager dialog, saving time while also providing a far more accurate result than would be manually feasible. The Fit Compartment feature allows you to select all the relevant objects in a drawing, such as curved structural elements that make up the exterior shape of a functional compartment, and generate a set of smaller, custom-sized volume cuboids to represent the complex extents of such a compartment. By applying automation, the result is not only far more accurate, but also a far more efficient workflow, with a focus of using the least number of volumes needed to achieve this accuracy. SSI encourages you to explore these and all other features from the downloads, knowledge base, manuals, or video sections of SSI Nexus.